Alright, since I've already made one video today, I figured I'd just get on a roll and go ahead and make another one on my Benjamin Discovery. I added a TKO muzzle brake recently. I think it's 6.5 inches. And I was just going to kind of give you an idea of what it sounds like. Now, I mean, I'm going to be in my room, and I mean, looks like I'm at 1,750 PSI. And I was just going to kind of give you a little demonstration. I'm going to be shooting over my solar panels. I'm going to hit that garbage can way out there. I don't know, that's probably a little over 100 yards. But I was just going to kind of give you an idea of what it's going to sound like. So, get you set up here. Alright. Maybe my phone won't fall off. Alright. Now before there was no way I could shoot this in my apartment. Like somebody would call the police on me. But now it's actually much quieter. Not too shabby. Definitely backyard friendly. I mean, if I can shoot it out of my apartment and never have a problem. I mean, it literally just sounds like you maybe smacking a fly with a fly swat. Well, that's what it'll do for you. It'll go from sounding like a 22 to sounding like just your regular, maybe it's probably even quieter than just your basic CO2. It sounds like my Crossman 1377 on like maybe 3 pumps. Well, thanks for watching.